Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clean infected PC without installing anything in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for run and then click on open. And then in this part, we're going to type temp and then click on OK. After that, just select all of the files right here by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard and then click on the delete button. After that, click on do this for all current items and then click on skip and then click on skip once again. After that, just close this and then open run once again and then click on open. This time, we're going to put percentage on both ends of temp and then click on OK once again. So select all of the files again by pressing Ctrl A and then click on delete button and then click on do this for all current items and then click on skip and then close this and then open run once again. This time we're going to put prefetch and then click on OK and then we're going to select all of the files and then click on delete and then click on do this for all current items and then click on skip. After that, what we're going to do next is to type File Explorer and then look for File Explorer options. After that, click on that and then click on View and then click on Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. After that, click on Apply and then OK, and then open your File Explorer. Now, once you open your File Explorer, just click on this PC, and then click on Your Drive, and then click on Program Files. Now, all you have to do is to look for any files that you find suspicious, so all you have to do is to delete it. So once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar once again, and then search for Windows Update, and then click on Open. After that, just check for updates right there. So all you have to do is to look for updates, and if there are available updates, make sure that you update that. And then once it is done, just go here on the search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. After that, click on yes, and then we're going to type sfc /scan now. After that, click on enter. And then after that, Windows will scan your system, and all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. Once you do that, what we're going to do once it is completed, just go here on your Windows icon and then restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.